Check out our newest email marketing update. Now we have enhanced statistics so that you can optimize your marketing and get better delivery. This feature offers custom date ranges, additional quick filters, and spam metrics to provide a more detailed analysis of your email campaigns. With marketing, understanding your numbers matters. There are a ton of benefits to this update. First of all, now you can look at custom date ranges. That way, you can analyze your email campaigns over a specific time period. You can also quickly filter and you can go back to the last 60, even 90 days for your reports. And so that you can keep up your deliverability, we have created spam metrics. Now you can view those spam counts and metrics to understand how your email is performing in terms of deliverability and engagement so that you can make those adjustments and clean your list when you need to. Now, when you launch a new product and you want to track your email campaign's performance over a 45-day period, now it's easy to use the custom date range feature to gather that really precise date specific data and those insights. Let me show you exactly where to access the campaign statistics. First of all, you're going to want to be in marketing in the left-hand navigation. And in the upper navigation, please click on emails and then go into campaigns. Then you're going to click on statistics and you're going to click on date range. Now you'll select that date range and you're going to go ahead and confirm. Here is where you're going to see the spam count metrics. You're going to go under Performance Analytics and then under Spam Complaints. The email marketing statistics feature in the CRM is going to allow you to conduct more granular analysis of your email campaigns, improving your marketing strategy and its effectiveness. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.